happy it's alive, and it sounds so nice. Oil pressure is beautiful. Coolant temp's good. I bled the coolant. Heat's working great. No check engine lights. What a beauty. Wow. I did not think I was going to get this thing going. First shot. Didn't even hesitate. Put the spark plugs in. Bang. Fired right up. Nice. Well, this is it, guys. The speed is done. Swap's finished. It's running. It started. It sounds healthy. So I intended to have the swap done before the new year. That was kind of my plan. That was my stretch goal. Before Christmas was going to be the like kind of perfect world, perfect scenario, perfect conditions. But somehow I managed to get it done. So the swap's completely done. The car runs good, sounds great, engine's healthy. I've changed the oil on it once already just to make sure no contamination or dirt inside, and the oil was nice and clean. I didn't see anything of concern in the oil. Gaskets, intake manifold, throttle body gasket I replaced with new ones. We've got the stock manifold back on here with my GT30 bolted to it down there. So that is our turbo setup. We've got a 3-inch turbo back. It's a catless Cobb setup. HTP 3.5-inch intake. Custom front mount kit. Mishimoto J-line intercooler. And that's basically it. I do have the Stop Tech brakes on here still. Those are coming off, as I did receive a deposit for those. So those are coming off. Those are going to be going for sale to a local. So he's going to enjoy those on the track. This is the motor that I pulled out. It needs an oil pump and a VVT gear, most likely. I'll probably do the VVT gear just because. And then this motor will be good to go, back together and back in another car or back for sale. Not sure yet what I'm going to do there, but yeah, the fact that this thing is running now and it's working and it's completed, I'm pretty excited. I didn't think I was going to get it done so quickly. I honestly didn't expect it to go that smooth and that well. And it's cold out here. It is Canada. It is December. It's, I don't know, minus 10 Celsius right now, maybe a little more. And it's basically the working conditions that I got the swap done in. So it does go to show you that as long as you're determined and you have the motivation, it really isn't an issue. I mean, you just got to do it. A lot of people like to talk, yap, 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 can't do it because of this, that, or whatever reason. Well, if you just do it, if you just actually do it, get it done, and then it's done, and then you've done it, and that's it. So really simple. There's really not a whole lot to it. Swap went pretty quickly. I did have a little bit of a leak on the oil feed there. Tighten that banjo bolt up and it's good. So yeah, that's it for the restoration of this, the rebuild. I mean, I've got to put the front bumper on and I've got to figure out how to mount my under tray, but that's it. Otherwise, my nice custom crash bar. Really happy with this front mount setup and the crash bar setup. It's so nice. Now, the hard question, the hard conversation. What do we do with this thing? What am I going to do with the Speed now that it's running? To be honest, I'm thinking about selling it. I'm thinking I might just list it, sell it, call it a day. The used market for these cars right now, it's not as hot as you'd think, so it's not like I'm going to get top value. I'm still gonna get less than I paid for it 6 years ago, but again, it's got more mileage on it now and it's got mods. I know mods don't add value, but it's got some work done, obviously. So yeah, I mean, I'm thinking about selling it just because having 3 cars is a little bit of a pain, especially when you can only park 2 easily, and then the girlfriend has her car and I still have my Civic which is stored off site. So it's a bit of a pain when you're trying to shuffle that many cars around, and it sucks when you're trying to have a car that you want to build as a race car. That kind of has the financial priority, and the problem with these, not that they're unreliable, this car was fantastic with the stock setup. It gave me basically 1 issue each season, and it was usually something minor just as a side effect of tracking the car or just as the car was getting older, but otherwise it's been kind of dead reliable. So I mean, I am on the fence. This car's never seen winter. It's 2011. I think it was wintered the year of maybe 2011 into 2012. and 2012 into 2013. So 2 winters after that. This car's never seen a winter. So it's probably the cleanest Mazdaspeed in Canada, in Ontario, to be honest. It's immaculate. So I really don't have it in me to winter it. I did think about maybe just daily the car. Who cares? Just run it into the ground until it falls apart and there's nothing left, and then scrap it. It's definitely an idea, but I don't know if I have the heart to winter such a clean car. Like, it's I don't know. It's a nice car, and I really do like it. It's a great street car. So we'll see. I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? Sell it, put all the money into the Civic and some back into my pocket? Do we keep the 3-car setup and have our fun summer daily and our winter daily and then our race car? I mean, I can do it. I'm doing it now and it is working. It's just, it's a bit of a pain. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm definitely thrilled to have the car running. I can't believe how quickly it went. Can definitely say there were times during the swap when I thought it'd be a brick sitting here forever collecting dust, and now all I need to do is put the wheels and the bumper on it, and I can literally go for a drive. It's on a base map from Will at PD, so it's good to go for the first round of logs, and yeah, that's really it. So we'll see what I do with the car. I'm really on the fence. I mean, I might list it and see if anyone's interested and take it from there. But otherwise, that's it. This is kind of a end of the road. I might not make any more videos on this car. I mean, I might. It just depends what we're doing to it and what the case is. But otherwise, it's kind of a closed book on the speed project. It's more or less in its final form, and that's okay. I'm okay with the decision. I'm happy that it is where it's at, and it's still a great car for someone to have some fun with. So either me or the next owner, we will see.